Hi?
Hi! Hi! I'm a bird!
What?
I'm a bird! I'm a bird!
How about you go fucking kill yourself, bitch?
Hello! Hi! I can do that too! So how you doing? Hello? Oh no, he's dead! Oh hi! Hi!
Hello?
Hi!
Okay, you're like 5.
Hi!
I'm talking about running the houses with Omegle. So think about your son and daughter.
Yes,
They got smaller now.
Yep. Hi! Hi! Hi!
Calm down a little bit.
Hi! Hi! Hey! I'm gonna listen to the jams! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hi! How you doing? I'm nice and cuddly, am I? Hi! Hi! How you doing?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, you?
I'm doing just fine. Yes, I am. I'm a bluebird. My name is Bluebird. I got one question to ask you. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woohoo! Got him! Woo-hoo! Woohoo! Hello? How you doing? How you doing? I can see you. Here. 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 Hi, that's a ducky! Hi, ducky! Hello, Mr. Ducky. He's a very handsome duck. I like ducks. I'm a bird. Hello again. We meet again. You were oh, that's a cute papa. Yeah, there was a duck here and there was a dog. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? I can see you.
And I wish you hadn't.
Yeah. So, what are you doing?
Uh, you know what? I was beating my meat is what I was doing. I mean, eating my... What I meant to say was, I was eating some fruit snacks.
Oh, that's nice. I like fruit snacks.
Hey, buddy, I can see you. You're like right there.
Ooh, where?
That way.
This way?
Mm-hmm.
What's over here? It looks dark and scary.
Hi.
How about you go over there too? Yeah, right over
Over
there.
here?
Yep.
Okay.
Keep going.
Hello. Yes? Hi, I'm a bird.
I'm sure.
Yes, I am. My name is Bluebird.
Hi.
Hi. So what do you do?
Are you tripping?
Huh?
Are you tripping?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
Yes, this is my voice. Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hi.
Hi. I'm a bird.
You're a bird?
Yes, I am. Hi.
Bird!
Yes, I am a bird. So how you doing?
What are you? What are you?
I'm an angry bird.
What's behind the bird?
Huh?
It's gender. What are you?
I'm a boy.
It's actually shocking. How old are you?
5.
5? Yeah, I'm
Yes.
starting to believe that. Alright, I'm gonna get off this Omegle chat before I get placed on a watch list.
Oink, oink. Is that what a pig makes? Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hey, nice fingers. I like your fingers. I love them fingers.
Dude, you better stop your heroin before it gets to your brain, bro.